What? We need Pachinko now, yeah? Well, I don't know. The chances are... Crazy. Alright. You can see at the wheel that everything is getting multiplied by 10 right now. Bam! Alright, 10x is getting a double. Let's go! Another double for you. Guys, we just can't stop. We just can't stop. What is that? What is that?
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
13. Yeah. Anyways, what do we start the session with? Okay, interesting first spin, I'm not gonna lie. It is an interesting first spin, crazy time. Alright, let's see how we do on the crazy time. I'll see you on the other side, good luck. I mean, don't mind if I do a first spin of the session, it's crazy. Well, let's see how we do. We should best look at this one. Yo bro, GG. Yo bro, GG. Anyways, best of luck in this crazy time. Choose a color, choose a team. Green, blue, yellow. And yeah, let's hope for some double action maybe. But yeah, crazy. Very good start, yeah. Well, let's see how we do on the crazy. 100x max, boom. Good luck on the doubles maybe. Good luck, good luck. Well, we do have a double. 15x for blue and yellow and a double for the green. So good luck to my green friends with the double. Alright, so 200x max for the green team now. So good luck, my green friends.
This is the amount of money issued, 56,830 for euros.
Oh, okay. It's a 200x for green. Okay, yes. Crazy. 200x, 15x, 15x. Gotta look at the back of the wheel. Yeah, what a start. What a start. Congratulations to 2,937 total winners. 200x for the green team. Congratulations. Let's sum it up. First spin and 200x. Yep. First round of the session, 200x on green. Sick.
Back. Hey, yo, I love you. You too. This spin Pachinko 20x is in. Don't say it's not. It's in. So, boom. Hey, yo, if anybody fell asleep after that Pachinko, emergency meeting going on now. What is this? What are those? What are these? 20x Pachinko on our hands. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see. We've been storing all of our luck for this moment. Multi is important. Biggest multi 40x. No, it ain't. We 20x everything. Look at that board. 16. So what's the biggest? 800x, I think, yeah? Alright, no time to waste. You gotta find out what kind of multi you get. Drop the puck, good luck. Hey, go for 800. Go for 800, don't be shy. Yeah, we on our way. 300 will work also.
This is the amount of money issued, 207,148 euros.
The multi, congratulations everybody. If you were patient enough, you got that 200x. Congratulations, 2,567 winners on this proper 200x. High top slots were teasing us. And now we got that. Compliments. We go again. Hey, old Mamshi Lucas, enjoy.
Relax from Charlie. Hi, crew. Thank you so much for the love, darling. Better close. By the way, again, if you have any questions about the game, not the game, feel free to ask. I'm always here to chat a bit, to go with the game, see what's gonna go on. Just like to have a little bit of fun. It's 1CX in the corn flip, everybody. Please. This one we catch, guys. So let's go. I'm interested right now. I'm interested. I'm really interested. What we're gonna get in here. I'm really hoping the Maltese are not gonna be the lowest, okay? But you know, there is still a chance. So blue and red and blue, everybody. Which side's gonna be lucky for you? Come on. That's the red button. Bada bing, bada boom. 20 and 4 multiplied by 20, 80 and 4 sweet hundreds. Let it be. Let it be something good, let it be something good, let it be something good.
This is the amount of money issued 189,631 euros.
Congratulations! Let's go back. 1,799.
This is the amount of money issued 155,483 euros.
Oh, how exciting is that? Wow! Congratulations to the winners and to Shubra and Lean. Big stand for being top 3 of winners.
Close by 1,319 winners there. Compliments, everybody. Enjoy those wins there. Whew! Close call. Mamma mia. Yeah, same. My eye was also kind of stopping there. The 3x was way too close for comfort. Way too close. 3x on quickly, everybody. Okay. 2 spins. Bonus round already down. Cool. Oh, please make it happen. Please stop. Crazy time. Alright, everybody, that's a lovely start of a session. Follow me. And welcome, everybody. So welcome to Crazy Time bonus round, the one and only that we have on the wheel. And we made it on our 3rd spin into the session. I mean, come on. Decision time, everyone. Choose your color. Green, blue, or yellow. If anything, feel free to leave it up to the beloved auto pick. Last moments. Top multi is 100x, so good luck. Alright, that's 10x on yellow, 25 on blue, and Team Green lands on the double. So we double everything on the wheel. Team Green, 200x is on the line for you now. Good luck. Okay. That's another double. So we double everything once again. Team Green, 400x right now is on the line for you. Good luck, everybody. Mamma mia, would you just look at that? Team Green is not messing around with the doubles. We land another one. So we double everything that's been doubled twice before. Now we have 800x on the wheel. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 138,020 euros.
Like that, 400x, everybody.
Any other center step winners have issued back sublots. How to play back, not repeat, but all options available. No, welcome, I'm not so young. I'm 24. It's also the young ages, do you know? What about you? A lot. Good luck. Enjoy. The range respects, what do you mean? Low range. You don't like something? 7x and cash hunt. Woo! Cash hunt in the house. 7x. Wow. Alright, now cash hunt. cash hand will trade out well during this session. So you know what? Let's check initial multis. Okay, 100 is the highest one. So you know what? We reached the highest level. And 1, 2, 3, 7x, and bam! 700, the highest one. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Boom! So guys, here we go again. Okay, well, ready? Let's mix. Have a roll. I wish you back the plug. That's amazing. My voice is fun, like a cartoon voice, or Barbie voice, something like that. Chat, everybody. Try to find the highest multiplier. 700S, the highest multiplier, guys. It's gonna be the highest win of the day, by the way. Amazing. You know?
This is the amount of money issued 565,135 euros.
Okay. 25.
The new cream chili actually is nice, guys. Have you tried it at McDonald's? Oh, it's good. Give us that. Okay, good. Guys, we're gonna enter the red door. Crazy time. Woo. Let's go. Follow me. And here we are. Welcome to Crazy Time, everybody. There's our wonderful big wheel, and it's time to make a decision. Choose your flapper, everybody. We got 3 flappers out there, green one, blue one, and yellow. It's time for you to decide, yeah? Guys, you ready? 100x maximum possible one so far. Good luck! Aiming for double. Okay, yellow one is getting a double. Yellow team, I remember the chat we had. Alrighty. We ready? Let's go. Pow! Good luck once again. Let's do the thing. Woo! Let's go! Another double for yellow. I'm ready. Let's do it! Guys, we just can't stop. Yellow flappers on fire. Another double, everybody. 3rd double. Come on. This is already maximum is what 800x. Whew. Let's go. Good luck. I'm already feeling nervous. No way! What is that? It's like how many times already? How is that possible? It's like how many times? 4? 4 times double, 1.6 thousand X is the most possible. Multiplier. I can't even say that. Good luck, guys. Let's go. Come on. Wow.
This is the amount of money issued 1,451,000 euros.
That's what we're talking about. 800x, everybody! Man, what was that? Happy 12,000. And hello, welcome back. 13,000 winners. Gonna stop winning around 9,000 euros win out there. Good job. Beautiful winning out there. Cactus, yeah, we're aiming for Cactus. I really hope the Cactus was a great one. Here's the bonus master. I got no idea how did that happen. Like literally 3 bonus games in a row. To make it like a full pack, we need what? We need Pachinko now, yeah? Well, I don't know. The chances are... Crazy time with 10x. The chances are obviously not that high. Yeah, for sure. We already skipped it. Man, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time. Oh man. I'm already feeling uncomfortable about this. Like, come on. What is that, everybody? Crazy time with 10x on the top slot, guys. Insane. All right. You can see at the wheel that everything is getting multiplied by 10 right now. Bam. All right, 10x out there, everybody. It is. And now it's time for you to pick your flapper, okay? Green one, blue one, yellow one. What is going on? That's insane. That's insane, guys. I'm like, how is that possible? I just don't get it, man. 1000x maximum possible multiply, guys. I just don't know what to say already. Just good luck. Best of luck to all of you. Man. Okay. Yellow is back at it again with a double. 200x for green, 250x for blue. Yellow is back at it again with a double. Guys, 2000x maximum possible. Good luck. Man, what is going on?
This is the amount of money issued to 1,697,917 euros.
1000x for yellow! Man, I got no.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.